children, today we are going to continue with chapter number 8, HTML and Introduction. Today in this video, we will learn the following topics from page number 100 till 103. Here we will learn what is font tag, what are the different attributes of font tag like face attribute, size attribute and color attribute. The next attribute we will learn of body tag, where we will learn how to use BG color, how to use top margin and how to use left margin. Before going to start the chapter, let's discuss few key terms that we are going to learn from page number 100 till 103. Here the first term is font tag, where font tag is used to beautify the text. We can change the color of the text, the size of the text and style of the text of our web page. Now the second term is there BG color, where BG stands for background and BG color attribute is used to change the background color of the web page. The next term is there top margin, where top margin is used to set the top margin of the web page. The last term is there left margin, where left margin is used to set the left margin of the web page. Here we will also learn the following syntax from page number 100 till 103. Here we will learn the first tag, that is font color. Here the opening tag of the font color is within the angular brackets font space color is equals to, within the double quotes you can type any color name, and to close this tag we will use within the angular brackets /font. Here the next tag is font size, where within the angular brackets we will write font space size is equals to, within the double quotes we can give any size of the font, and to close this tag we will use within the angular brackets /font. And the next tag is font face. If we want to change font style, we can use the opening tag within the angular brackets font space face is equals to, within the double quotes you can type any style of the font, and to close this tag we will use within the angular brackets /font. The next tag is there background color. To change the background color of the web page we will use opening tag, that is within the angular brackets body space BG color is equals to, within the double quotes we can give any color name, and to close this tag we will use within the angular brackets /body. The next tag is there top margin. To change the margin of the web page from its top, we will use opening tag within the angular brackets body space top margin, we will write top margin without space, is equals to, within the double quotes we can give any size of the margin, and to close this tag we will use within the angular brackets /body. And the last tag is there left margin. To change the margin from the left side of the web page we will use opening tag within the angular brackets body space left margin. Here you will see we will write left margin without space is equals to, within the double quotes you can give any size of the margin from the left side, and to close this tag we will use /body within the angular brackets. Now open your computer book at page number 100. Here the first topic is font tag, where I have already explained the term font tag. Now we will learn about the different attributes of the font tag. Here the first attribute is face attribute, where face attribute is used to change or set the font type. Being a container tag, we can close font tag after the text. Let's do it practically now. Now open your notepad file. To change the type of font, place your cursor after the body tag and press the enter key. Now in the empty space, we will apply font tag. Now type angular brackets and within the angular brackets type font. Now give space. To change the type of font, type face is equals to double quotes and within the double quotes type the name of the font type. For example, I am going to type the name of the font, that is Jokerman. Now after typing the font type, you need to close the font tag. For example, I am going to close the font tag after this paragraph. Here you can see after the paragraph I will type angular brackets and within the angular brackets I will type / and font to close the font tag. Now save your file by pressing Ctrl+S key from your keyboard. Now minimize your notepad file. To see the result, double-click on HTML file on your desktop. Now here you can see only the font type has been applied on your paragraph because we have closed the font tag after paragraph. Now again look at your book at page number 101. Now here you can see the second attribute of the font tag is size attribute, where size attribute is used to change the size of the font. Here is the syntax of size attribute. You can see within the angular brackets we will type font space size is equals to, you can give any size of the font. It is optional to give your size of the font within the double quotes or without double quotes. Let's do it practically now. Now again open your notepad file. Here you will see within the font tag we will apply size of the font. Place your cursor in font tag, give space, type size equals to, for example, I want to increase the size of font by 25. Now save your file by pressing Ctrl+S key from your keyboard and minimize it. Now double click on HTML file on your desktop to see the output. Now here you can see the size of the font has been increased by the value 25. Now again look at your book at page number 101. Here you can see the third attribute of font tag is color attribute, where color attribute is used to change the color of the text. Here you can see a chart is given with different color name and with the hexadecimal values of the different colors. We can give within the double quotes these hexadecimal values for the different colors, or we can simply type the name of the color. Let's do it practically now. Now open your notepad file. Here you will see to change the color of the font, we will type color in the font tag. Now place your cursor in the font tag and give space. Now type color COLOR is equals to, within the double quotes you can give the name of the color. For example, I'm going to give here the name red. Now save your file by pressing Ctrl plus S key from your keyboard and minimize it. Now again, double click on HTML file on your desktop to see the output. Now here you can see the change in your paragraph. The color of the paragraph has been changed now. Now again look at your book at page number 102. Here the topic is attribute of the body tag. Here the first attribute of the body tag is BG color, where I have already explained the term and syntax of the BG color. Let's do it practically now. Now open your notepad file. To change the color of the web page, we need to give the background color within the body tag. Now place your cursor in the body tag, give space, type BG color without space between them is equals to double quotes, and within the double quotes you can type the name of the color that you want to apply on your background. For example, I'm going to type here the background color yellow. Now save your file by pressing Ctrl plus S key from your keyboard and minimize it. Now again double click on HTML file on your desktop. Now here you can see the change. The background color has been applied on your web page. Now again look at your book at page number 103. Here the next attribute of the body tag is given, that is top margin and left margin, where I have already explained the terms earlier. Now let's see it practically. Now open your notepad file. Now before applying top margin or left margin of your web page, let's have a look of your web page. Here you can see there is no space between the text and top margin. From the left side also there is less space between the text and left margin. Now to apply the top margin and left margin on your web page, place your cursor within the body tag, give space and type top margin is equals to, and within the double quotes you can type the size of the margin that you want to apply on your web page. For example, I'm going to give here the size of the margin is 150. In the same way, give space and type left margin equals to, and within the double quotes you can give the size of the left margin. For example, I'm going to give the size 150. Now save your file by pressing Ctrl plus S key from your keyboard and minimize it. Now to see the output, again double click on HTML file on your desktop. Now here you can see the top margin and left margin has been applied on your web page. In the same way, you can apply the margin from the bottom and right side also. Till now, we have learned the key terms from page number 100 and 103. We have learned font tag, BG color, top margin and left margin. We have also learnt the following syntax from page number 100 till 103. we have learnt the syntax of font color, font size, font face, background color, top margin and left margin.